Barry Manilow, who hasn't swayed to the timeless melodies of Mandy, Copacabana, or Can't Smile Without You. A legend whose music has serenaded generations, Manilow's journey to stardom is a tale of resilience, passion, and an undying love for music. Hit that subscribe button, and let's dive in. Born Barry Alan Pincus on June 17, 1943 in Brooklyn, New York, he grew up in a working-class Jewish-Irish family, raised by his mother, Edna Manilow, after his father, Harold Kelliher, left when he was a baby. Music became his refuge, and by the time he attended the New York College of Music and later Juilliard, his destiny was all but sealed. In 1965, he penned his first song, marking the beginning of what would become a 6-decade career in the music industry. His breakthrough came in the early 1970s when he worked as a pianist and arranger for Bette Midler, launching himself into the limelight and paving the way for a career that would see him release over 50 albums and more than 60 singles. He's no stranger to the spotlight, with a trophy case boasting Grammys, Tonys, and American Music Awards, proof that his melodies don't just touch hearts, they make history. Manilow's personal life has seen its share of chapters. As a young man, he married his high school sweetheart, Susan Dexler, but the union was brief, lasting only a year before they parted ways. They had no children together, but love found its way back into his life when he met Gary Keefe, his longtime manager and eventual husband. The two have been together since the 1970s and officially tied the knot in 2014 in an intimate ceremony. While Barry himself never had children, Gary has a daughter from a previous relationship, Kirsten Keefe, making Manilow a proud step-grandfather after Kirsten adopted a child. With a net worth estimated at $100 million, Manilow has indulged in a lifestyle befitting a musical icon. He has owned opulent homes in Malibu, Las Vegas, and Palm Springs, where he currently resides in a breathtaking 53-acre hillside estate overlooking the Coachella Valley. The 8-bedroom villa is a masterpiece of luxury. Entering through grand double doors, guests are greeted by a sprawling foyer that leads into a sunlit sitting room adorned with plush furnishings and a grand piano. His personal office, a haven of creativity, houses memorabilia from his illustrious career, while his library is lined with books and awards chronicling his musical legacy. The backyard, a sanctuary of relaxation, boasts a pristine pool, manicured gardens, and panoramic views of the valley, offering the perfect escape for a man whose melodies have touched millions. Despite his fame, Manilow's life isn't all about the glitz. He is a devoted philanthropist, a lover of jazz, and an artist who still finds joy in composing. His passion for music remains unwavering, his songs forever woven into the fabric of pop culture. Through the decades, Barry Manilow has not just created music, he has crafted memories, one timeless ballad at a time. Thank you for tuning in. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for the next update.